What's up guys, you're watching us Technologies, and today I'm going to tell you about the TikTok. When you are going to post a video on a TikTok but you are not going to get any views on your video, so simply I'm just going to the settings. Here we go. Simply you just open up your setting as a privacy, and then you just go wait a minute to the privacy. Here you have your private account. So you have your private account, you just check out with the private account only user can approve and follow and watch your videos. So, and the activity status and the contacts you want to use with your contacts and check in Facebook and posted nearby feed, you also check this one. And the location services, you just location services, here is a direct message, anyone's story, anyone's stickers, only you if you want to. So these are a setting. You must do it on your TikTok account while you are posting any video on your TikTok account. So simply that's how you do it. And if you have any question, then ask me in the comment box. And if you're new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like.